Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing. I'm unboxing the Boxycharm. It happened to me again that I ordered a box at the end of the month thinking that I will get it the next month. Instead I got the April one, which okay, I'll just open it and see what I got. This is a beauty subscription, so you get mini sizes of beauty products and you have to fill a questionnaire when you subscribe so they know what you like, how your hair are, whatever. And it's $21 a month, so let's just open it. Okay, it's pretty small but it's packed. So I got the one with the full sizes and it's a little bit more. I think it's like $30 a month. So here you have the card that says all the products that are in. That's how it looks inside. And I got, first product is It Cosmetic and it's a Confidence in a Cream Transformating Moisturizing Super Cream. So it's a moisturizer. The price should be $48. So it's anti-aging moisturizer, which is fine because I accept that I'm aging too. That's how it looks. I want to smell it. The smell is very good. Nice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Wow, Kat Von D. Next one we have Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. The price is $20. And let's see what shade is this. It's Sanctuary, which looks pretty dark, even though it might look nice. So hard to open. Okay, that's my daughter Elizabeth that is crying in the other room. It's a kind of dark color for me, but never know, might have an occasion to try it on. Next we have these Bang Beauty and is chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. I like that. $22 is the price. Nice. Nice shade of brown. I think it will look very nice on me. But I will have to buy an eyeliner brush for it because I don't have them here either. I have all my brushes in Italy. Next we have these L'Oreal Geller Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops. So the shade is Gilded Honey. And the full price is $20. And that's how it looks like. Nice. Probably looks great on your cheekbones. I'm not very good at makeup, but I can guess how to use products. Next and last product here we have, if I have to say something, like all these black thing they put inside, they make a mess on the products because they're all like dusty with this black stuff, so that's a bad thing. So we have these Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask 2. So I love mask and the price is $22. So I think you keep this mask on all night. Oh no, it's a mask that you do at night. You leave it for 10 minutes. So there are two masks inside, and they have, and this mask, this holographic mask combines probiotics and skin superfoods to give your skin that to give you the skin that lights up a room. I'm definitely gonna try them because I love masks. So that's it. I mean, my hands are disgusting because of the box, so I don't want to touch too much stuff. I actually, for the price, I'm very satisfied, and they followed what I said because I don't really like a lot of makeup. I like more skincare products, and I have to say I'm very satisfied. So I'm definitely gonna not cancel my subscription, and I'm gonna wait what they're gonna send me for May. And that's it. I think it was a very short video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a comment and a like underneath, and I'll see you very soon with the next video. Bye!